We had the fire pit going last night. Ooh. We got the All Miller's van. I'm heading down to the little pond where it's frozen. Jacob and Tyler are there right now. Gonna sneeze. The lake's still frozen. I think it's getting all unfrozen because it's a little bit warmer today. Whoa! So there's some little air bubbles trapped underneath the ice from yesterday when we were throwing some stuff in. Look at that air bubble. It's moving. There we go. Just got out.
Man, that's a big piece.
Did y'all see that air bubble move across half the freaking pond and escape over here?
That water is cold.
Jacob, throw another rock. There we go.
Skip it across the whole pond. Casey, quit chewing on that.
All Miller's house is up there. We're throwing rocks across the ice because it makes a cool noise. Oh God. Jacob's got a big one. Now the air bubble's gonna move across half the ice and escape over here. Watch. It's coming. Look. It's so weird. Wait, it's gonna escape right where Tyler's feet are. Right here. And then listen to it. Oh. Come on, you got it? You got it? Oh, it's moving. It's moving direction.
That's cool.
Oh, there must be a hole somewhere over there. Oh, yeah, there's holes.
Find one more big rock.
Throw it like over here.
That's frozen over there.
It's frozen over there. Look at this fool. Kind of big ass rock. All right.
No, wait. You see that one by the log? I threw it up and it whoosh, and stuck right upside, or right up. You know what I'm talking about?
Like a spear. Nasty ass. Wait, I want to find a small little rock that I can make it skip across the ice. Mr. Allmiller's coming on down here to get your ass, Jacob. Best go move your truck. I'm just kidding. I don't know what he's coming down here for. I want to find a rock. Casey, girl. Hello, Casey. Casey. We got some lovely moss. He done start up the tractor. What? Hold up, Mr. Allmiller's up on his tractor. Oh my gosh. Mr. Allmiller's on his tractor. Ew. Ew. Don't. Ah! I have to get this. Ah! Sticks and stones may break my bones.